Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shashi. I am the co-founder and chief architect of DeGirum. We are a hardware company making an accelerator for edge AI applications. But I'm not here to talk about our hardware, because you know how that slides are going to look like. Right? All slides look the same. We have the best hardware, we have the state-of-the-art performance, and so on. So what I'm going to focus on is the challenges that developers face when trying to work with a multitude of hardware, and how to bring ML models from research into production. If you look at the flow today on how AI applications are developed, you have to bring in three components together: the hardware, the software, and the models. And this is a challenging task because they are all interconnected in some way. Not all ML models can run on all hardware. Each hardware comes with its own specific runtime software. So that means you have to use a specific software stack for a hardware. And different types of ML models will require different software. I'm going to talk a little bit about this later on in the slides. And one of the crucial steps for the developers is to actually make the right choice of hardware. And today, if you look at the process of choosing an AI accelerator, it's a very long, complex, and time-consuming process, and quite frustrating too. You have to buy the hardware, you have to install the software toolchain that comes with this hardware. You have to port ML models that are compatible with this hardware. You have to develop the application software stack on top of this, measure the performance, and then you have to repeat this step for all the hardware options that you want to consider, which basically results in separate application software and even models for each of the hardware options, which means there is a lot of wasted time, money, and effort in getting this processor selection done.